Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the story is A Grain as Big as a Hen's Egg, written by Count Leo Tolstoy. Yes, let's go to the story. Yes, a grain as big as a hen's egg. You know, ଏମିତିକା ଗୋଟେ ଶସ୍ୟ ଦାନା ଯାହାକି ଅଣ୍ଡା ଯେତେ ବଡ଼ ସେତେ ବଡ଼ ଥିଲା. Before you read one, every day you eat rice and chapati. Yes, we do it every day. We eat. Have you seen a grain of rice or wheat? ତମେ ଚାଉଳ ଦାନା और ग्रेन ऑफ राइस धान किंबा चाउल किंबा गहम देखिछ कि हाउ बिग आर दीज ग्रेन्स ये जो दाना गुड़िक केते बड़. आस्क योर पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स अबाउट द साइज ऑफ द ग्रेन्स ड्यूरिंग द टाइम्स. तमे तुमर पिता माता एवं गोसाई बापा गोसाई माँ को पचार तांको समय और ग्रेन केते बड़ थिला. हाउ बिग द ग्रेन्स वर इन देयर टाइम्स. इमेजिन कल्पना कर द साइज ऑफ ए ग्रेन एज बिग एज हैंस एग. एमितिका गोटे दाना विषय चिंता कर जोटा कि माने अंडा भाया बड़ थिला. व्हेन डज इट ग्रो केउठारे एहा उत्पादन हुए एंड हु ग्रोस इट एवं किए उत्पादन करे. व्हाई कांट वी ग्रो दैट साइज ऑफ ग्रेन्स. आमे कहीं से भाया से आकार दाना उत्पादन करि पारू नाही इन आवर फील्ड आम क्षेत्र. डिस्कस इन ग्रुप एंड नोट डाउन द आइडियाज. तम दल भितर आलोचना कर एवं जहाँ धारणा पाइल ताकू तम खातार टिपी रख. नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टोरी टू नो मोर अबाउट द ग्रेन्स व्हिच आर एज बिग एज हैंस एग. चलो लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी एंड टू नो हाउ बिग to know the grains that were as big as hen's eggs. Okay, we shall do. Text Unit 1. One day some children found in a riverine in a forest in the gap of a rock. तो riverine means गोटे संकीर्ण गिरी बा पहाड़ फांका. So in the gap of a rock some children one day some children found. Who found? Some children found where in the gap of a rock a thing shaped like a grain of corn. One day some children found what? A thing shaped like akaro like a grain of corn with a groove down the middle. तार ठीक मझिरे गोटे गाढ़ सदृश्य गोटे गार सदृश्य गाढ़ा थिला. ग्रूव मीन्स गाढ़ा. सो द ग्रेन वाज हैविंग ए ग्रूव इन द मिडल ऑफ इट. what एज लार्ज एज ए हैंस एग एंड दैट इट्स साइज वाज its shape was or its size was as big as a hen's egg. गोटे कुकुड़ार अंडा भाया बड़ थिला. A traveler passing by at that time a traveler was passing. He saw the passing by saw the thing. The traveler saw the thing found by the children. Bought it from the children. पिलामानो किनिदेला. हु बॉट इट? द ट्रैवलर बॉट इट. फ्रॉम हुम? फ्रॉम द चिल्ड्रन. फॉर ए पेनी करे अणाई दे से पिला मानटू किनिदेला हु बट द ट्रावेलर व्हाट दैट थिंग फ्रॉम होम फ्रॉम द चिल्ड्रन and taking it to town, and that traveler took that grain to the town, sold it to the king. राजांग बिकिदेला एज ए क्यूरियोसिटी और एज ए वंडरफुल थिंग गोटे आश्चर्यजनक जिनस भावी द ट्रावेलर सोल्ड इट टू द किंग ऑफ दैट कंट्री कुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंड द one day some children found a wonderful thing and it was shaped like a grain of corn. A traveler saw it, he bought it for a penny and took it to the king and sold it to the king as a wonderful thing. Curiosity, कौतूहल. The king called together his wise men. राजा तांकर अभिज्ञ लोक मानकु डकैले. Who called? King called together एकत्र डकाइले हिज वाइज मैन तांकर विज्ञ लोक ज्ञानी लोकों को and told them to find out एवं से कहले to find out खोजी बाहर करिया what the thing was ए जिनसटा कौन खोजी बाहर करिया द king asked his wise men to find out what the thing was. What the thing was. The wise men pondered and pondered and pondered and pondered and could not make head or tail of it till head and tail of it. The king asked. The wise men pondered and pondered and pondered and pondered and make out nothing. Could understand? ସେମାନେ ଚିନ୍ତା ଗଭୀର ଚିନ୍ତା କରି 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 ସେସବୁ କିଛି ବାହାର କଲେନି. ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆଉଟ୍ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ କୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ମେକ୍ ହେଡ୍ ଅର୍ ଟେଲ୍. ଆର କିଛି ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଗଣ୍ଡି ଚିହ୍ନି ପାରିଲେନି. ଆଉ ପିଟି ଟିଲ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଡେ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ when the thing was lying on a window sill and that thing was lying on a window sill ଝରକା ପନ୍ଥ ଉପରେ it was ପଡ଼ି ରହିଥିଲା. what that thing was a hen flew in. ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଉଡ଼ି ଭିତରକୁ ଉଡ଼ି ଆସିଲା. flew in and pecked at it. ଆ ଉପରେ ଖୁମ୍ପିଲା. who pecked? the hen pecked at what? at the grain till she made a hole in it. ସେଇଥିରେ କଣା କଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ the hen pecked at it. and then everyone saw that. ତାପରେ ଯାଇ ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ it was a grain of corn. ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଲେ ଯେ it is not a wonderful thing, it is just a grain of corn. गोटे साधारण शस्य दाना. The wise men went to the king and said, विज्ञ लोक माने went to the king and said, कहले sir, your majesty, your honor, your excellency, it is a grain of corn. एटा गोटे जस्ट शस्य दानाटे. at this एथिरे the king was much surprised. बहुत आश्चर्य होइले. who was much surprised? the king was. and he ordered the learned men. तांकर जो शिक्षित ज्ञानी लोक मानकु विज्ञ लोक मानकु मेधा वा शिक्षित लोक मानकु कहले to find out when and where such corn had grown. एई भलिया शस्य केबे केउटारे उत्पादन करा जाउतला. you find out my learned men. मोर विज्ञ व्यक्ति माने शिक्षित हुए तमें बाहर करती देखा. द लर्नड मेन pondered again चिंता कले and searched in their books. तांका बही जाको खोजी पकाइले but could find nothing about it. किछि पाइले नहीं. the learned men searched about it in their books but found nothing. So they returned to the king. राजांग पाखु फेरी आसिले and said कहले. Let's see what they said. Yes, we can give you no answer, your majesty. Sorry, excuse us. We can give you no answer. आमे आपनो को यार उत्तर दे पारबो नहीं. because there is nothing about it in our books. आमर ये जो बही तो ये विषय किसी लिखा है. what shall we say? that means the learned man surrendered before the king. You will have to ask the pigeons. आपण यार विषय pigeons माने चाषी मानों को पचारंदो. Perhaps both way some of them may have heard both semana मधुर केतो सुनी थिबे from their fathers तांका बापा मानों को ठारू when and where grain grew to such a size केबे केउटारे एई आकारर शस्य दाना उत्पादित होउतुला. The learned man told the king to ask the pigeons about it, so that the pigeons could say. So the king gave orders, आदेश दिले, that some very old pigeons should be brought before him. आदेश दिले जे सबुठारु वयस्क चाषी मानकु तांको आगकु अणा जाओ बोले आदेश दिया गले. तांकरी आगे हाजर करा जाओ बोले आदेश दिले. एंड इज सर्वेंट्स तांकर चाकर मानी फंड साचे मेन गोटे लोक भेटिले एंड ब्रॉट हिम टू द किंग राजा पाखु आनिले. हु द सर्वेंट्स ओल्ड एंड बेंट वृद्ध एवं अंटा पड़ी जाइछि. आसी पेल पाउसिया मलिन तांकर रंग पाउसी मलिना पाउसिया आकार मलिन एंड टूथ रे पाकुआ. He just managed with the help of two crutches. से दुईटी आश्रा बाड़ी साहाଯ୍ୟ रे moves manages to move to totter into the totter माने एपट सेपट ही चलिबा माने सीधा भी चली पानतले into the king's palace. Who came? That man was brought to the palace with the king showed him. राजा तांको से ग्रेंडा देखेले. Showed means देखेले. Who showed whom? The king showed him the grain, but the old man could hardly see it. किंतु बुढ़ा लोक देखि पानतला because the old man was hard of seeing. देखिबाटा कष्ट होतला. That means he had a low vision. He was suffering from a low vision out of old age. He took it हाथ गुंदेले however अवश्य नेले and felt it with his hand. हाथ गुंदेले हाथ रे ताको अनुभव कले. The king questioned him saying ताको प्रश्न पचाले. Who asked him? The king asked the old man, can you tell as a old man? बुढ़ापा कहि परिबो कि where such a grain as this grew? ए भलिया शस्य दाना केउटारे उत्पादित होउतुला कहि परिबो कि have you ever brought such कौन तमे केबे एई शस्य किनिच कि और सोन बुनिच कि जमी रे such in your fields तम जमी रे के बुनिच कि शस्य किनिच कि. The king asked the old man. The old man was so deaf that she hit kalla je that he could hardly hear. माने सुनी पाउनतले. What the king said, राजा कौन कहउतले से सुनी पाउनतले and only understood with great difficulty. बहुत कष्ट रे राजांगर कथा बुझी पारले. No, he answered at last. परिशेष रे the old man at last answered no. I never sowed nor reaped. Sowed means मु जमी रे बुणिनी कि केबेले याको उत्पादन करिनी अमल करिनी reaped any like it in my fields मु जमी रे. Nor did I ever buy any such. मु केबे भी किनिनी. When we bought corn आमे जेतळ कि शस्य किणुतलु the grain were always as small as they are now. वर्तमान जेतिकी छोट शस्य दाना जेतिकी छोट से तळ भी सेतिकी एबे छोट थिला. Not bigger than today's grain. But you might ask my father. आपण मो बापा पचारि पारंती. He may have heard where such a grain grew. से तो हुए तो सुनी जाई पारंती केउडारे एमितिका शस्य उत्पादन करा जाउतुला. So the king sent for the old man's father. एणु से वृद्ध लोकर बापा को डके पठेले राजा. And he was found मिलिले and brought before the king. राजा का आगो को अणागला. राजा का आगे हाजर करागला. He came walking with one crutch. किंतु ये बुढ़ार बापा गोटे आश्राबाड़ी रे आसिले बुढ़ार बुढ़ा दीटा आश्राबाड़ी आसला बट ता बापा गोटे आश्राबाड़ी आसला दैट मीन्स यू थिंक ही वाज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन हिज सन फादर वाज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द सन द किंग शोड हिम द ग्रेन राजा तांको को ग्रेन देखेले एंड द ओल्ड पीजेंट हु वाज स्टिल एबल टू सी देखि पारतले पुओ देखि पार द सन वाज हार्ड ऑफ सीइंग बोले अब देखि पानुतले बट फादर वाज ओके इन आई साइड तो टुक ए गुड लुक एट इट तार कोड भला बे निरीखि देखिला गुड अंडरस्टैंड एंड द किंग आस्क्ड हिम राजा तां पचारले can you not tell us old man तमे कहि पारियो कि बुढ़ापा कहि पारियो कि से this is wrong actually it is not just 1 minute can you not tell us old man where corn like this used to grow तमे हमको कहि पारियो एई बढिया शस्य दाना केउठारे उत्पादन करा जाउतुला तमे जानिछ कि ए कथा पचारले दिस इज रॉन्ग नॉट आई थिंक इट इज रॉन्ग राइट सो कैन यू टेल अस ओल्ड मैन वेयर कॉर्न लाइक दिस यूज्ड टू ग्रो हैव यू एवर बॉट एनी लाइक इट तमे केबे एमिति का शस्य किनिछ कि और सोन एनी इन योर फील्ड तम जमी रे केबे एई शस्य दाना बुणीच कि comprehension check let's have the comprehension questions some of the comprehension questions related to this paragraph this portion so what was the children find in the ravine the children found a strange grain of corn in the gap of a rock and it was as big as a hen's egg. Next one is how did the wise man know that was a grain of corn? One day the grain was lying on the windowsill. A hen flew in and pecked on it and made a hole. Then the learned man came to know that it is not a wonderful thing, it is a grain of corn. Okay, now let's have a question number 3. That is, yes. What did the king do to collect information about the grain? To collect the information about the grain, the king ordered the learned man to find out when and where such a grain had grown. Next, could the learned man find out the answer? What was the suggestion? No, the learned man could not find out the answer. They suggested to ask the old peasants of the country so that they may have heard about it from their fathers. Question number 5. What was the king's question to the old peasant who came first? The king's question to the old peasant who came first was that where such a grain as that had grown and had he ever bought such corn or sown in such in his field. Next question is, was he able to hear and see? What was his answer? No, the old man was not able to hear and see. That means the old man was hard of hearing and hard of seeing. What was his answer? He said He said to the king that he had never bought or sold grains like this, and the king could have asked his father about it. This was the answer of the old man. How did the old peasant's father came to king? Was he able to see? Yes. The old peasant's father came to the king with one cross. Yes, he was able to see. 8. The king asked the same question to the old man's father. Now goes what could be his answer? Will he be able to recognize the grain? Let's read the remaining part of the story to know whether exactly these grains were harvested or not. Yes, we will go through the next part of the story, but not now, tomorrow. In our next class, we will go through the next part of the story to get the answer. Till then, bye.